Hi, this is Joe Jennings. I'm going to be going over my Relativity Demo 2. So let's begin. First thing we need to do in order to get into this is we're going to log in. Give me 1 second here. Alright, so for recording purposes, we had to minimize the screen, so let's enlarge it now. We're going to use F11. There we go. And you should be looking at the full Relativity workspace. Let's go down. I'm going to drill down into the demo workspaces, and we're going to go through the demo for this afternoon. We're going to log into Golden State versus Pepper New. That'll be the case that we're going to be working out of. And today what we're going to be going over is redactions and annotations. So this will be a short presentation on redactions and annotations. Let's wait a second here for the documents to load. Excuse me, there we go. So the document we're going to be working on, let's go to this AS000005. We have a Word document. Let's click on that. Alright, so what we're going to see first off is a note. This is one of the great features of Relativity. You can see right here in the center screen, document contains track changes and comments. Please view the image for this record to see hidden content. A great feature that Relativity has is to see those types of hidden things that are layered down in documents. So we'll click on OK, and slowly but surely the file will pull up. Give it a second here. Let's try retry here. There must have been an issue with the file. We'll just hit retry and see what happens. Let's see what the details are. Seems like we've got an authentication issue. We'll just hit retry again, or we'll try and load this in native. We'll cancel that. Let's see if we can go over here and pull that as an image file. See what happens. Well, there we go. Alright, so we've got this as an image file. As the note said, here's your comments and your track changes. You can see those here on the document. A great feature that Relativity has. As you can see up here, we went from the viewer, you've got your native, and then you've got your image. So what we're going to be working on today for redactions and annotations is in this image space right here. As you can see across the top, we've got our menu that is going to tell us what we can do. Let's begin and we'll walk through the redactions and annotations menu. Right here, right off the bat, we've got our highlights. You get a choice within Relativity of highlighting, of pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, or purple. So those are your color choices that you can highlight in. Very, very handy for if you've got to make different color highlights within a document that mean different things. Then as we come across here, you got your redaction. We've got black, cross, text, and white. Very, very nice features to have. Then we've got a reverse redaction. We've got a full page redaction, which gives you the option of redacting in black, cross, text, or white. We've got batch mass redacting available to you as well. From a font size within the redaction, if you want to change the font size, you've got options all the way up to 96 font. So we've got quite a few choices as we go through the redactions. So let's go through number one. Let's get down into the document. One of the things you're going to see is, let's say we want to choose a highlight, okay? We can come down here. Let's take a blue highlight. We're going to come down and we can create a blue highlight right across a section. There you go. As you can see, you can still see through this, so you can read what was underneath there. But we could change this to any color we wanted. If we wanted to come up here and make this green, we could certainly come across and drag and make this green, no problem. So multiple colors can be applied to the same section. In the event you wanted to get rid of something, you could come down and pick black. Let's pick black. Let's do a black redaction. We're going to come across here and we're going to get rid of this. So now you've got your black redaction. In the event you wanted to come in and highlight something with text, you can come down here. Now you've got a text highlight. You can see it's got my name in there. How did we do this? You merely right click, hit edit, and we can change this. We could change this to Rico, wanted to, and there we are. It'll pop in there. So very, very nice user features that they've got within Relativity when it comes to doing redactions. Now, one of the things you're going to notice down here at the bottom, we've got this tab for expert. We've got an expert and an attorney level. As you can see, when we click on the attorney, it's going to take me back here. If we wanted to go to the expert, we just merely click down here on expert, and then it's going to flip back to the redactions I made just for the expert. This gives you flexibility to create documents for an expert that are going to be different than those that the attorney's got. This is very, very helpful when it comes to doing markup sets or subsets of documents. This is something that is truly unique to Relativity. Not a lot of systems have this, and it also gives you a way to build firewalls in case you've got multiple documents used in multiple different cases. The other thing that's nice about this feature down here in the bottom is, in the event you're in IP litigation, which is often multi-jurisdictional, you may have things going out to a variety of different jurisdictions. So instead of attorney and experts, we might name this jurisdiction A, jurisdiction B, jurisdiction C, etc. So there is no limit on the number of markup sets you can have, and this is a very nice feature that Relativity has. Does anyone have any questions on how the markup works before we go on to take a look at tagging and coding?